Welcome to Food Fanatix. In this video, we're going to show you how to make chocolate ice cream without an ice cream maker and only 3 ingredients. You need to place your bowl in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes before making the ice cream. Add 400 grams of whipping cream and beat until it forms soft peaks. Add 140 grams of condensed milk. Place the condensed milk in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes before using. Beat on low speed. Sieve in 70 grams of cocoa powder. You need to sieve the cocoa powder so that it doesn't form any lumps in the ice cream. You can add more or less cocoa powder depending on how chocolatey you want your ice cream to be. Fold with a spatula just until the cocoa powder is well combined. Beat with a mixer. Transfer into a tin. Lightly flatten the ice cream with the back of a spoon. You can add Chocochips. Freeze for at least 7 hours.